In this video, I'm going to show you how to get to the diagnostic mode on the digital display gauge for full-size Alterra models 500, 550, and 700. It's also the same for some Prowler and Wildcat models with this style of gauge. Turn the ignition on. Press and hold the outer buttons. This brings you to a menu with 3 options. It shows Diagnostic, Exit, your part number for when they set it up at the dealer. You can set your clock here. Select Diagnostic. Diagnostic modes show the battery voltage, coolant temperature, intake air temperature, the map, the air pressure, the ISC or the idle step control, the TPS or the throttle position sensor, the speed, RPM or tachometer, and the fuel. To exit, you get to the bottom of that list and press exit. And then to get out of here, back to the original normal display setting, click exit, and you're back to your original gauge. Cycle the key off.